How does one write a musical ode to a favorite pair of socks? Music has the extraordinary power to celebrate even the simplest and most cherished aspects of our lives. In this article, we explore the creative process of writing a musical ode to a favorite pair of socks. By delving into the warmth, comfort, and personal connection they bring, we embark on a musical journey that harmonizes our love for socks and the joy they bring to our daily lives. Join us as we dive into the steps involved in crafting a musical tribute to those beloved foot coverings. 1. Reflect on the essence of your favorite socks. To write a musical ode to a favorite pair of socks, take a moment to reflect on the essence of those socks. Consider the feelings of comfort, warmth, and familiarity they provide. Reflect on the memories and experiences associated with wearing them. Allow yourself to reconnect with the emotions and sentiments attached to these treasured garments. 2. Capture the emotions in lyrics. The lyrics of your musical ode should capture the emotions and sentiments that your favorite socks evoke. Express the comfort, coziness, and contentment that they bring to your life. Write heartfelt verses that showcase your personal connection with the socks. Use descriptive language and vivid imagery to convey the tactile sensations and emotions associated with wearing them. 3. Craft a melody that embraces comfort. Craft a melody that embraces the feeling of comfort and warmth. Consider using gentle and soothing musical phrases that evoke a sense of relaxation and coziness. Experiment with soft and flowing melodies that mimic the gentle movements of your feet when wearing the socks. Allow the melody to convey the emotional essence of your ode and create a connection with the listener. 4. Choose instrumentation and arrangement. Select instrumentation that complements the theme and mood of your ode. Consider using instruments that evoke a sense of warmth and familiarity, such as acoustic guitars, pianos, or gentle string sections. Experiment with different arrangements to create a sonic landscape that resonates with the emotions and sentiments expressed in the lyrics. 5. Infuse rhythmic elements. Rhythmic elements can add a dynamic and engaging aspect to your ode. Consider incorporating rhythmic patterns that mimic the movements of your feet while wearing the socks. Experiment with percussive elements or gentle rhythmic motifs that enhance the overall groove and flow of the composition. Use rhythmic variations to maintain listener interest throughout the musical journey. 6. Embrace harmony and chord progressions. Harmony and chord progressions play a crucial role in creating a captivating musical ode. Select chords that evoke feelings of comfort and joy. Experiment with chord progressions that create a sense of stability and resolution. Explore harmonic variations to add depth and emotional richness to your composition. Allow the harmony to support and enhance the lyrical and melodic elements of your ode. 7. Polish and share your ode. Once you have written and composed your musical ode to your favorite pair of socks, take the time to polish and refine the composition. Fine-tune the arrangements, adjust the mix, and make any necessary changes to ensure a balanced and cohesive sound. Once you are satisfied, share your ode with others who appreciate the simple joys of life. Share it on social media, perform it for friends and family, or even collaborate with other musicians to give your ode a wider reach. Conclusion. Writing a musical ode to a favorite pair of socks is a celebration of the little things that bring us comfort and joy. By reflecting on the essence of your socks, capturing the emotions in lyrics, crafting a melody that embraces comfort, choosing suitable instrumentation and arrangement, infusing rhythmic elements, embracing harmony and chord progressions, and polishing your composition, you can create a heartfelt tribute that harmonizes the love for your socks and the musical expression of that love. So, put on your favorite socks, let the music flow, and celebrate the comfort they bring through the power of song.
Stuck in my head.